now to the fallout over Title 42. A federal judge announced his intent to pause on the Biden administration's rollback of the measure. This decision, which allowed the Border Patrol to expel nearly anyone encountered along the border using the threat of COVID-19 to deny migrants the chance to seek asylum, is set to expire May 23rd. ABC's Morgan Norwood has the latest on what's next given this latest challenge to the policy.
A federal judge says he intends to issue a temporary restraining order preventing the Biden administration from lifting Title 42. It's the Trump-era public health order which allowed Border Patrol to turn away migrants to prevent the spread of COVID-19. The CDC had planned to lift Title 42 next month, prompting concern that it could lead to a flood of new migrants trying to cross the southern border. Republicans are holding up President Biden's request for more COVID-19 funding unless Title 42 stays in place. Some Republicans say they recognize the hypocrisy of calling for some other COVID policies to end while fighting for this one to remain.
You can make that argument, and it's hard to say that it isn't, but when it gets to be so immense, you probably ought to look at anything that is helping control the flow.
The judge temporarily blocking Title 42 as administration officials today outlined their preparations for the end of the measure ahead of the May 23rd expiration date. It involves surging resources to the border, including medical supplies, personnel, speeding up case processing at Border Patrol holding centers, and stepping up efforts to crack down on human smuggling organizations. A senior White House official telling our Cecilia Vega today that the operations that could be blocked in court are, quote, essential to ending Title 42. However, Republicans on Capitol Hill and some moderate Democrats want to extend the order, citing a lack of planning by the Biden administration for the projected surge in migrants. But the White House says there are mitigation plans already in motion.
The Department of Homeland Security has projected that there could be an increase in people coming to the border, and that's why they've had a multi-part plan and proposal and policy they've been implementing for months now.
And we're expected to learn more about those plans this Thursday when Alejandro Mayorkas, the Department of Homeland Security Secretary, testifies before the House Judiciary Committee. I'm Morgan Norwood, ABC News, Los Angeles.